Hi there. So this week, if you remember, we're talking about visual perceptual skills, or how your eyes make sense with your brain about what your eyes are seeing. So let's look at a book. Today we have the Kids Cat book, and we're gonna look at one page in the book and see if we can find some things. Here we are. So this says, cats like to sleep in strange places, which we know that is true if you have a cat. When a new kitten or an old cat comes to live with you, it should be examined by a vet. The vet will make sure it's healthy and doesn't have fleas, ear mites, or worms. The vet will also give it shots. If your cat doesn't eat or play or act like itself for a couple of days, it might be sick. Don't give it people medicine. Call the vet. So we're gonna look at this picture. I'm gonna hold it up closer, and I am gonna ask you if you can find some things either by pointing or by looking. Okay, here we go. I am wondering, let me get it all set, if you can find or point to the thermometer, the blue socks, the nurse cat, the book, glasses, a gray fluffy cat. Can you find 5 sleeping cats? Yellow earrings, red shoes, an orange and black spotted cat, a paper bag, a pillow, a purple can, a red scarf, the word vet, sorry guys, E-T. Let me hold that still for you. V-E-T, vet. Can you find 8 cattails, 5 cooking pots, 1 bed, a refrigerator, the word cats, C-A-T-S, and lastly, can you find a boy laughing? Ooh, there you go, a little closer. That's our picture for today. Okay guys, that's our picture for today, and tomorrow we'll work on a new one. Have a great day, take care, bye-bye.